I need to have a drink and then do these things. Couldn't do that again if I tried. Take 3. Bourbon.
So firm.
Yeah.
Cut that out. After a year of unforgettable adventures aboard Sailing Tellaroo and packing a lifetime of memories into this past year, we couldn't wrap the year up without giving y'all a peek behind the curtain. From tongue ties and take twos.
All right, take 2.
Take two. Take 2.
Take 3. How about the 16th time? Take 452. Take number 400,322.
To moments so ridiculous, we almost left them on the cutting room floor.
Bye, Felicia.
This episode is proof that for every mile sailed, there's a misstep, there's a laugh, or a moment that didn't quite go as planned. But by the end of this video, you'll hear the one joke I swore would never make it into an episode, since it's crass, inappropriate, but hilarious enough to Sean to close out the year with a bang. So grab your drink, settle in, and get ready to laugh for the next 20 minutes. Because if you thought sailing was entertaining, just wait until you see some moments we didn't always mean to film.
Another cut.
Cut. Cut that part.
Cut. Can we start over? Let me do that again. I need to have a drink and then do these things. This is country boy panache. Cut. Cut. All right. Cut. 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 We'll do it again. Cut. Cut that. Cut. Cut all that. Cut. Take 3. Let's do that again. Cut. Cut.
Cut.
Cut that. Let's do that again.
Okay.
Cut that out. Cut that out. Cut. Cut that. Cut. Cut.
Cut.
Cut. Don't put that. Cut that. No. Cut. 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 So we'll cut that. Cut. 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 Cut.
Cut that.
Cut. Cut. Yeah, it's a good thing you closed your legs because you were giving a shot. Shaka.
We've got to
Stop. All right, let's start all over again.
Okay.
Just skip the details and go with the general.
I'm gonna laugh. Hold on. And then again, this bedroom also has a view of the courtyard. Time for champagne?
Champagne. Yeah.
Don't lean back.
Cut.
But we've only scratched the surface of our and of the
In the mirror. In the mirror. In the mirror. You're constipated. Roiling. Not all the political so. And then once it ignites and fires off, the blower's cut. Maybe I'll do a couple shots first.
Alcohol?
I don't. Cut. What do you think? What say you? You want some? Have you flipped your gizzard? What in the is this about, huh? What? Have you flipped your gizzard plumb out? Have you flipped your gizzard? Let's not do that. Whatever the that was. Do that. Feel like Joe Biden.
Been on the boat for a couple hours. Now we're back out. Cut that. Did you just run into Just make them all take a hot shower.
Alright, y'all. I want to do another cut. Ready? It's really awesome. So these neat cut. Telaroo has. Y'all, Telaroo. What?
Can you redo that?
Okay.
It was a little bit of a struggle, but you're like,
yeah, we do that again. And right here, and right beside her,
testing 1, 2, 3.
Sassy.
This is actually, what did I even say? This is a.
You said this is a very classic V shape. Go to your left. Go to your other left. Go to your right.
Yeah, that. Blah.
Virgin?
Version?
I don't think there's any virgins around here.
Below deck. Portion. Okay. Testing.
All right, y'all. So today, cut. Telaroo is a 1998 Nayod 440.
98?
Did I say 98?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cut.
Frickin' heck. One second, let me give it a thought. What's it called when it's been with the boat the whole time?
Critique.
Hey, one critique.
Mm-hmm.
Kind critique.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe try not to roll your head like. And you're like.
Bye, Felicia. All right, y'all. It is sure. Get that. Cut.
Blinded by the light.
Yeah. I had it in my head.
Good morning to our patrons.
Don't be at that. If that boat wasn't there, it would be good because we could anchor right in the middle of this. Smells like
Oh my god.
You know what that camera was?
What?
Candle. Never mind.
What did you say?
Let's do that again.
Okay.
Y'all, there's nothing quite like a little charcuterie.
We out here with that charcuterie board. Charcuterie board, charcuterie.
On a sunny. Do this again.
Okay.
Belize. All right, y'all. So we found this bottle of Eagle Rare here back in Belize. You may have seen that video a couple videos back.
We're in Belize.
Well, you said don't say that. You said don't act like that. Okay. All right, y'all. So we found this here bottle of Eagle Rare back on one of our previous birds. Take 3.
This is that really dirty joke
No.
about. Oh no, that's the one about telling your horse to go get
What? No.
a posse.
Okay, we'll start all over. Testing 1, 2. How you doing, my boo? In Port Belize. Let's do that again. Cut that out. Y'all follow the channel, you know that I like to sip on a little bourbon every now and then. And Amber and I, and my gorgeous babe, and
Well, we're on our morning walk this morning, and Sean said, what in the actual? I looked up, and this car has evidently dropped themselves off the side. I guess maybe trying to park there. Sean said they must have been drunk. Oopsie.
Next up on the list is Barcelona, Spain, and here we are at Vino Villateca.
No. Villa Veneteca. We're definitely not even. Well,
Hey, come back, start over. It's so epic. It's so epic, y'all. We're at a place called, what is this place? We just used it to get in that thing. Ha, well, that sucks.
is it in your back pocket? Let's go retrace our steps. You sure as heck didn't hand it to me.
Well, how did it come out of my pocket? Huh, 'cause I didn't even use it. Yeah, well, let's go back.
Yep.
Carry back, carry.
You found it.
Yep.
We've had our showers. Sean heated up our behind this.
Starting off with a bang. That's so funny.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Take two. Take two.
But they call that because, no. Let me do that again. Cut that.
So this is cut. Radio.
Cut. Don't put that. Cut that. Oh, no. Oh.
Stop. Cut.
Yeah, I did the same thing.
That's dangerous.
Yeah, I was like, holy almost fell forward. Peniscula. All right, take two. All right, y'all, here we are at Castillo di Pensi. One more time. Take three. This was also after the cut. All right, so we'll cut that out. Or the end. So let's crack this top. No. It's been a long day. Here we are. Take number 400,322. One more again. This is rough.
What's going on? You were doing so good.
Those sirens threw me off. Apparent wind angle of 40 knots. This configuration, just like a good wife. It's a good old nice easy ride. I'm kidding. This cotton.
Cut that part.
Let's do that again. I don't know what's up with all that.
And
Cut.
but it feels like we're getting lucky as sea, baby. No orcas so far, and we sure hope.
Okay, not sure what I just did there. I think I might have deleted it, but I'll re-record it all. Take you out. How's my butt look?
Good, baby.
I thought you were behind. What? What? Are you smoking crack? What? He's got into you. You going stir crazy? You been on the boat too long? Cut. Can we start over? It literally fell right in my glass. Not even kidding. You'll just use that on the bloopers. You couldn't do that again if I tried.
But other than that one ship other than the one ship that shot all these S words, other than the one ship that saw other now I'm gonna laugh, I can't do it. Now I have the giggles. Out her on the water.
Take 452. And our whisker poles are mounted in our whisker poles.
Excuse me.
That was a cut. You can put all this together, right?
Yes.
Cut. Now the distiller says on the now the
What?
No, I was just following what you said. No, no, no.
I thought you were telling me I was doing something.
Hmm? If y'all watched our Gibraltar video, and it's Jim Beam Black. Let me do that again. All right, whenever you're done laughing. To the store, what are you laughing at?
It's on the giggles now, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay. It's over. It's over. Okay, go ahead.
Up here, down here, over there, Where should I say? Up, down, all around. I need to have a drink and then do these things. Ah. Cut. Hey, don't laugh. It's been a long day. I've been working my arse off. I'm bourbon.
So bird.
Yeah. Well, let's do it back over. How about the 16th time? We are live. Let's get on with this job. Do like, click, clack, click, clack.
A little bit less though.
Oh.
What are you doing?
What do you mean what am I doing?
What are you doing?
What do you mean what am I doing?
What are you wearing?
I'm ready to film some Summer's Over videos. This is Country Boy Panache.
Country boy who?
Panache.
Panache?
Mm-hmm.
That's country boy fancy?
Yeah, panache is, that's a fancy word for fancy shit. Why are you laughing at me? Woman goes to the gynecologist and says, "Doctor said there's something wrong with me." She said, "Please help me, doctor." She said, "Something's wrong." She said, "Won't nobody have anything to do with me?" She said, "Men won't talk to me. They won't have anything to do with me." She said, "There's just got to be something wrong with me. Please help me, doctor. Can you help me?" He says, "All right." He says, "Take your clothes off and get up there on that exam table and put your feet up there in those stirrups and I'll take a look." So she does. She gets up there on the table and he gets his flashlight out and he takes a look and gives her an exam. And he says, okay. He says, "Now, blow your breath in my face." Blew a breath in his face and he's He says, "Okay, stand up and bend over." So she does. He continues his exam. He says, He goes, "Okay." He said, "You can get dressed, put your clothes on." He takes his gloves off, throws them in the trash, and she gets dressed and she says, "Oh, doctor," she said, "Well, what's wrong with me?" He said, "Well, ma'am, you have Zachley." She said, "Oh my goodness, doctor, what on earth is Zachley?" He said, "Well, your breath smells exactly like your ass."
I cannot believe you just told that joke.
I think it's hilarious. What do you think? I think it's good.